My name is Jason Dovel. I teach trumpet at the University of Kentucky in Lexington, Kentucky. And today I'd like to speak with you a little bit about tone color. So allow me first to just simply play a 2-octave C scale and look at what happens to the overtones. So you notice the higher I play, the weaker the upper overtones, or the weaker the upper harmonics become. Getting back to those subjective terms, bright and dark, but for the purposes of this video, let's just assume that when someone says bright, they mean it has a lot of overtones, specifically that it's rich in the upper overtones. And when someone says a sound is dark or warm, typically they mean it maybe has fewer overtones, or maybe what they mean is it has stronger lower overtones.